Your money is shrinking right now, even if you haven't spent a single rupee today. Last year, you walked into a shop, bought a burger for $5. Life was good. Now, go back to that same shop today. Same burger, same size, same taste, but now it's $8. You didn't get a raise, the burger didn't get better, so what changed? That's inflation, and it's happening to everything you buy. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Money is only worth what it can buy you. Last year, $5 equaled one burger. Today, $5, not even close. Your money didn't disappear, but its power did. Now, why does this happen? Picture 10 people, 5 burgers. Now, suddenly, everyone gets extra cash. All 10 people rush to buy those same 5 burgers. What does the shop owner do? Raises the price, obviously. More money chasing the same stuff equals prices go up. That's inflation in one sentence. And this is why your groceries feel heavier on your wallet every month, why your salary feels like it's shrinking even when it's not, why keeping cash under your mattress is quietly losing you money every single day. Inflation doesn't steal from you loudly. It's slow, it's patient, and most people never even notice it. So, what do you actually do about it? First, understand it's normal. Every economy has inflation. The goal isn't to fear it, it's to stay ahead of it. And the only way to do that is to make your money grow faster than inflation eats it. That means getting your money out of idle savings and into things that grow, whether that's learning a high-income skill, starting something small, or understanding basic investing. You don't need to start big, you just need to start moving. Because here's the truth nobody tells you in school. The people who understand money grow. The people who ignore it slowly fall behind. And that $5 burger, it's never going back to $5. But now you know why. If this made sense, drop a like. It genuinely helps. And if you want more no-fluff money stuff explained simply, subscribe. New video dropping soon.